Hello, welcome guys, welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to cover you the invoke method that is activity, and which is called remove that is the method. So in using this method I'm going to remove the particular item from the list. So let's start. So let me start from scratch. Drag the one activity sequence, go inside, and let's create a one variable lst1. So that variable should be list type. So you have to go to select from here. You can select from here or you can browse system dot collections dot generic so in system dot collection dot generic and dot list, so you will find it here, the list, and select as a string type. Okay, so you now created the variable. Now we have to go and define the value in the list. So by using new list of string, new string, parenthesis open, and curly braces, you have to define the value first, comma second, comma third. So this is a value which we are defined here. New system dot collection dot string. So new system dot collection dot string. Then we have to open the parentheses here, and here should be function. So this is the list which we are going to create, and we already defined the variable value inside. Then we are going to use a for loop and print the value inside. For item list 1, you have to define another list type using right line. List 1, sorry, item dot to string. Done. So now we have to check first this program is running or not. So see, we have to define this type of object types, and we have to run this program. As you check, this is the value is already present, 1 2 3, which I stored in list. So now we are going to remove 2 here, or 3, that's the index of 0 1 and 2. So let's remove the one value from the list. So to remove the one value from the list, we have to use invoke method activity. This is the invoke method activity, and here your target object is list 1, and here the method is remove at, and we have to pass the parameter, so which index we are going to remove the value. So as a parameter we have to click here integer as an integer type, and give the index here like 0 1 or 2. So I'm going to remove the index of 1, yani I want to remove 1 2 the 2 number, like this one value. So this is the index of 1. So this function is finished. Now we are going to copy the same for each activity and use it here, and now we are going to print this thing using this item 2, and this is item 1. We have to change here item 1 and item 2, that's right, and we have to debug the program. Now you will check the output. The first output is 1 2 3 and the next output 1 and 3. This means 2 is not here, so that means it's remove the particular index value from the list. So that's it now, and we will cover the next invoke method activity in next videos. So please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching this.